One-of-a-kind log cabin lake house on Lick Creek. Private covered boat dock with 2 slips and electricity. Multi-level decking and patio offers amazing waterfront views. 2-story ceilings, open catwalk, exposed beams, stone fireplace, and beautiful hardwood flooring. Eat-in kitchen with island. Main level laundry room. Basement level apartment with full bath, rec room, full kitchen, and den. Second story features 2 additional bedrooms, full bath and den with private balcony. Separate storage shed, concrete drive and plenty of parking. Furnishings are negotiable.